Imagine taking the legendary toughness of the Toyota Hilux and adding a level of luxury that completely changes the game. That's exactly what makes the 2027 Toyota Hilux Travo L edition so exciting. This isn't just another pickup truck, it's a bold combination of rugged capability, premium comfort, advanced technology, and unmistakable road presence. From the first glance, the Hilux Travo L Edition looks seriously impressive. The front end features a wide, aggressive grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular bumper design that gives the truck a commanding attitude. Its sculpted body lines, large alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and rugged lower body elements reinforce its off-road personality. At the same time, premium exterior details give it a more sophisticated appearance than a traditional work-focused pickup. It looks equally comfortable on a city street, highway, or rough trail. Step inside, and the luxury theme becomes even more obvious. The cabin is designed to feel more like a premium SUV than a conventional pickup. Expect a modern dashboard, high-quality materials, supportive seats, and a clean, driver-focused layout. A large infotainment display can serve as the center of the cabin, while digital instrumentation keeps important driving information directly in front of the driver. Depending on the final specification, advanced connectivity, wireless smartphone integration, premium audio, dual-zone climate control, and a range of driver assistance technologies could make everyday driving significantly more comfortable. And then there's the reason people buy a Hilux in the first place: capability. The 2027 Travo L Edition is expected to maintain the tough, dependable character associated with the Hilux name, strong torque, a capable four-wheel drive system, and carefully engineered suspension could make it ready for everything from highway cruising to challenging terrain. Whether you're carrying equipment, exploring dirt roads, or simply driving through the city, this truck is designed to deliver confidence. The L Edition could also bring a more refined driving experience, balancing rugged capability with improved comfort and stability. That combination is what makes this version particularly interesting. You get the strength of a pickup without giving up the premium experience many modern truck buyers want. Now, what about the price? Toyota has not officially confirmed every specification and market price for the 2027 Hilux Travo L Edition, so exact figures will depend heavily on region and final equipment. If Toyota positions this model as a premium flagship style Hilux, expect it to command a higher price than standard versions. Overall, the 2027 Toyota Hilux Travo L Edition could be one of the most exciting luxury-oriented Hilux models yet. It combines toughness, technology, comfort, and aggressive styling in one package. If Toyota gets the formula right, this could be the pickup for buyers who want adventure during the weekend and luxury every day. Would you choose the Travo L Edition over a premium SUV? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming car reviews.